Dude, this, oh my God.
What, Donovan, what's happening?
This place looks, it looks. Oh my gosh.
Wait, it's kind of intimidating.
It's because, okay. They gave me the worst haircut of my life. Ah!
Okay, so what's going on right now?
I'm a little scared because I'm looking at reviews. Worst rated barbershops. I know this is a trend going on YouTube, but this is actually very serious for me, Donovan. There are some high stakes here because you guys know my brand is all about hair, eyebrows, skin, all that stuff. So I'm not just your average YouTuber going to get a haircut. This is a big deal for me. Like, this is like my child up here. And then on top of that, I have a really big meeting tonight with a brand at 7:30.
Okay.
So you guys will see that right here. I'm not making this up to make the video like more salacious or anything. Like, I literally have a huge meeting tonight at 7:30. And then tomorrow I have a huge audition that I've been preparing all week for, which you guys will see right here. It's for a big movie with big Hollywood stars.
This audition is for the lead role, right?
This is for the lead. Like, I auditioned for the supporting role and then they called me back for the lead role. So I'm just like, there's a lot riding on this. And the fact that I'm doing this, I may be kind of crazy, but sometimes you just got to take risks.
Yeah, so I didn't know we were doing this today. We're going, did we decide on which one we're going to?
Well, we're looking at it right now, and it's actually kind of hard to find a poorly reviewed barbershop. The way that Yelp is set up, it's like sorted by best reviewed. So I really had to do some digging, and I think I found the worst barbershop in LA. But this review, look at this review. It literally says on the first line, "Stay away," in huge letters. And he says he would give it 0 stars if he could.
It's not good, man. This is the top rated review right here. This is like the one that's like on top.
Yeah, and there's also many of other bad reviews. It would be one thing if there was just 1 or 2 bad reviews, but when you go to a business and there's multiple 1-star reviews, let's just hope that it's not too bad, because I do have a meeting tonight. And I don't know if you guys know this, but in auditions, you're not allowed to wear hats or anything. So it's like, if I get a bad haircut,
it's gonna be.
I don't know if I can. I might get chicken. What is it? Not chicken feet. Cold feet. I might get cold feet when I'm outside of the barbershop. I don't know.
And then we can go get chicken feet after.
Yeah. Oh, in Koreatown they have some good chicken feet. They do have some legit chicken feet. Let's go. Let's do it.
So I got the place pulled up. So guys, right now we are in Koreatown, driving on the way there. It's a gloomy day, might be a foreshadow of what's to come. I don't know, I'm keeping a positive mind. But we're in Koreatown, we're headed to one of the worst rated barbershops in LA. I'm gonna call them and try to make an appointment. Donovan's actually gonna call them for me, because you don't wanna, text or call and drive at the same time. I advocate safe driving, so Donovan's gonna call for me. I'll put it on speaker so that you can talk to them. I'm nervous. Hi, do you speak English?
I'm sorry, no English.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
I wanted to get a haircut. Can I walk in?
Yeah, anytime come here.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, bye.
What? What did she say? Okay, so she answered in Korean, but then I asked her if she spoke English and she said no, but she carried a conversation with me in English. So I'm confused. Well, I don't speak Korean. Do you speak Korean?
No.
So I should just show her a picture and then
just show her a picture.
That should be like it, right? Like, it shouldn't be too complicated. I understand, like, obviously I'm Asian, I come from that community, and I understand, like, maybe she's just like shy and she doesn't want to speak English. Maybe she's a wonderful.
She's just not confident in her ability to speak
Yes, English. Maybe that's it.
Yeah.
So I just need to give her a chance.
This literally could be the new spot. Like, this could be the best cut of your life.
What if this is the plug for the best haircut in LA?
And they like purposefully like flooded their system with bad reviews so that people don't know about it.
Right, because otherwise they'd be too busy. I actually don't think you need to go to a fancy barbershop or salon to get a good haircut. I think you can find a good haircut for $10 or for like $15 or whatever. And it's not about the price, it's about the person cutting the hair. So I'm gonna go into it with a good positive attitude, but I'm definitely already a little bit like
worried.
I'm a little worried.
See the picture.
It's just basically what I have, but shorter.
Yeah,
like,
I do see that.
The middle section. So I'm just gonna have her like snip a little. Like, what could go wrong, right?
Yeah, she could shave all your hair off. Food first, stress later. Go.
I did get one of these.
It's like a nice jerky.
Yeah, it's like a jerky. We're here in Koreatown in front of Ralph's. I'm eating a chicken jerky with like pigeons flying in my hair. Eating by a garbage can. Donovan's having a salad roll-up, and we're surrounded by like 5 security guards. Shit's going down. It is not my day.
the last bite.
Yeah.
This is my only meal today. And it fell on the floor and
It's like,
we gotta get out of here.
Is that a Lunchable?
bop.
What? That's not very Korean. Bruh.
It's a Korean Lunchable. But like, it was not good.
We didn't even get a good Korean meal. No.
Lunchable?
No, and please don't drool on my car again.
Dude, this, oh my God.
What, Donovan, what's happening? I
This
can't
place looks so dreary.
What's
Dude,
wrong with it?
Like the outside is like black. The windows aren't even clean.
Wait, I'm getting nervous.
Dude, I don't know, man.
Wait, Donovan, should I get the haircut or not?
Dude, I think we should just send it. Dude, it doesn't look good at all, dude, look.
Ah! I'm nervous.
Wait, is this the right way?
Yeah, I think it's right around the corner.
It's literally in an alleyway.
We're trying to go around. I think it's right there, bro. I'm gonna turn off the camera before we come in there. If they see the camera, they're gonna treat us a little differently. So I'm gonna try to keep it as authentic as possible.
Wait, it's kind of intimidating.
It's because... Okay.
Yeah, do you have time?
Yeah, okay.
Alright. You want to sit there, Donovan?
Yeah, I'll sit right there.
Oh,
Edward getting his haircut. Okay, I'm recording.
Today I've been called Jimmy Neutron, Sonic the Hedgehog, but all jokes aside, we just finished going to the barbershop.
I think the cut's nice.
For all intents and purposes, I would go back there if I needed a little bit of a trim, because my hair prior to going to the barbershop, it was at a point where it was just like way too long to do anything with. Like every time I would style it a certain way, it would just fall down. So I think it turned out pretty good. I'm a little weary to go there for like a regular fade because that does take some extra skill. But if I needed something like quick, I would go back. I definitely went in there like a little nervous because of the bad reviews, but going to a place like that, you have to scale your expectations. Like you're not gonna go to McDonald's expecting like a filet mignon, or you're not gonna go to like In-N-Out Burger expecting like a 5-star meal. So that just goes to show you guys, don't just go to Yelp and then look at something as a bad review, or just read something online and like put that on your blacklist. Like go there and try it for yourself before you write it off. And honestly, some of the best reviewed barbershops or hair salons on Yelp are actually not that good. Because I will tell you, I went to one of the highest reviewed barbershops in Orange County. I won't say which one, but they gave me the worst haircut of my life. And it was like $50, and it was the best, one of the best reviewed places. Yelp, I don't know, there has to be like a vetting system or something. My experience was, it was pretty good. For a $10 haircut at the worst reviewed barbershop in LA, one of the worst, it definitely was not that, and I would go back in a heartbeat to get a quick trim or anything like that. And I feel very comfortable going to my big meeting like this, and I feel comfortable and confident going to my audition tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below what you think of my $10 worst reviewed haircut. Leave it in the comments down below. Do you guys like it? Do you guys love it? Let me know. And then also episode 4 of the Zo Code will be out next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.